Today, we're going to talk about understanding the importance of sunlight and shade for different plants. Sunlight and shade are essential for the growth and survival of plants, but different plants have different requirements. Understanding these requirements can help you to choose the right plants for your garden and ensure that they thrive. Some plants, such as tomatoes and peppers, are known as sun-loving plants. They require a lot of sunlight to grow and produce fruit, and they will not perform well in shady areas. On the other hand, some plants, such as ferns and hostas, are known as shade-loving plants. They require less sunlight and will perform better in shady areas. There are also plants that prefer partial shade, such as lettuce and spinach. They require some sunlight to grow, but too much direct sunlight can damage the leaves. By understanding the sunlight and shade requirements of different plants, you can ensure that they receive the right amount of light for optimal growth and health. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!